Hey, it's What's Up Gaming here with
Dan TDM248.
and I have a marker somewhere.
We're playing
PUBG. Player unknown.
Dude, you're gonna. What are you doing? Wait, hurry up and jump, dude. God.
But I put a
Oh,
marker. My marker was over there.
Wait, you went. You were going all.
Oh my gosh,
Dude.
my marker.
Wait, get out of that view, man. Okay, don't go in that water. Is that water? No.
Wait, ooh, a plane.
Oh, got it. Don't go into that.
I'm going to the
there's
plane.
There's nothing there. Go there. Go there.
I'm going to the plane.
Oh, more than you. There's nothing there.
Have you ever checked in there?
There's nothing there. You can't even go.
But hey guys, drop a like down below and subscribe to our channels, and yeah. Do it. Is there anybody else over here? Oh, just drop.
You're going so slow.
I know, I don't like the parachute.
Hold W. It's quicker.
Oh.
You go down quicker.
Do you think there's weapons in here?
Probably not.
Finally. Okay, proceed to play area. Okay. What is? There's nothing in here. Wait, let me check first. You can definitely go inside of it.
Yeah, you can go inside of that.
What?
Like you're getting yourself stuck.
I don't see any weapons.
Wait, is that the plane that we were in?
No.
Oh, good.
That would be bad. I think I'm stuck.
Oh, good.
Wait, no.
If you were stuck, it would have been my turn.
Okay.
Hey, leave. There's nothing in here, clearly.
Okay, then.
No,
Why is it here? There has to be a reason for everything.
Because it crashed, Sonny. Because it crashed.
Yeah.
You're gonna follow its tracks. Wait, you're outside of the circle, big time.
I do realize that.
Check. Not that far.
Actually, somebody already died.
Yeah, Hyper Sam. Go in the circle, man.
Am I going? No. Wait, it's behind me.
No, it's not.
Wait, isn't?
I remember the line. Look on the mini map.
This way.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, run. Hold shift.
Oh yeah. I'm new to this game.
Put this finger. Put that one there.
I feel so weird.
You'll get used to it. Because then the middle finger can touch F easily.
But I do this.
Oh yeah, that's what. Wait. I don't know what I do actually.
This is. Yeah, move the mic. The red zone has started. The red zone's the bombing area, right?
Yes. Yes.
Well, I see a plane over there.
It's probably dropping a care package. How far away are you from the circle?
Not far. I'll probably have enough time to get there before them.
Yeah, you'll have a ton of time. You'll have like spare time.
How's it possible to go there?
Yep. You jump off of the plane when it's heading that way.
Oh. So you basically have to leave the game and rejoin games until the plane's going that way?
Yes.
Oh. Is there any houses down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. One goes over here.
You have like literally nothing. You shouldn't have went to that plane, man.
I know. There's something down here though. Some houses over there.
That's a city called Georgia Pool, I think.
Ooh. By the way,
Go to that house.
is that the school over there? No, that's not a school.
A skull?
School. Wait, is this a car?
Yes.
I'm gonna go get in this car.
And drive over to that sniper tower.
That's a sniper tower?
Yeah, a small one. They have
Nobody's in it, right?
Shouldn't be. Could be, but it's probably not.
Are you sure I can go in this?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I see another car down there.
Yeah, this is way closer, so I'm gonna go in this one.
When you drive down there, if you go to the sniper tower, but wait, go
in the wrong seat.
Go around. Go to those houses, actually. Go to those houses.
Wait, first I want to go to this since it's close.
They're literally the same
This
distance.
thing's so slow.
You can hold shift to go faster.
No.
Oh, no. Okay. Get out. No, what are you doing?
Jeez. Oh, nobody better steal that
You
car.
really need it. You like would accept anything, right?
Basically.
Like even nothing, you would accept. Wait,
No, I wouldn't accept
the
nothing.
red dot site. There's nothing else in there.
Well, this was pointless.
No, you got some. You got something.
Red dot light. You have to have a gun for that.
It says scope, but you'll find one.
And nobody's gonna steal.
Hey, go to that house over there. Go to the house that was over there. Drive Dacia. This car's called Dacia.
I don't like it.
You're in the back seat, man.
Whoops.
Whenever that circle, you need to get out. When you get out, you're gonna boot it. Okay? Like, go so fast. Slow down, slow down. Don't jump out, you can die. That's what happened to me earlier. I was like, we're driving super fast on the motorcycle. What? You ran yourself over! Okay, it's my turn to
There's
play.
33 out of 49 people alive.
You ran yourself over, I think. No, someone else ran you. Oh, look at these guys.
No.
They're so stupid. Oh, he's getting in your car.
I-
He's stealing your car!
You're such a savage.
I would report the guy.
Report them. Report them.
Next time, I'm gonna, next time, I'm gonna report the player. No. I'm playing solo.
You're playing solo?
Look what I look like. I have no shirt. I'm a hooligan. This one. No, that's ugly. I need to get new stuff. I don't have any. No.
Oh my gosh.
My bad.
You're so rude.
No, I'm not. I'm actually awesome. Wait, guys, look at this gun. I have to find it. It's crazy. I've never even seen it in like normal matches, but I need to find it. Oh, it's right there.
Somebody with it.
He has it. But it was like crazy when I tried it. It went like boom, 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 boom. Or this is a shotgun. No, it's not. I don't know what gun. This is a rifle. Sniper rifle.
Did he just scream?
Dude, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you, man. Do you like the sound things? I learned how to do them. Head? Your head popping off. Hey, where are we coming from today, Bill?
Wait, which direction is the plane going?
Right here.
Oh no, it's not going to the no.
Here, do the zombie one.
It's not going to the island. Whatever. Okay,
Do the zombie one.
Okay.
Me too. Does that sound like a zombie? No.
Siren.
Oh god, there's a guy right there.
Uh-oh.
Oh god, there's
Person alert, person alert.
Yeah, that's that's the right one. Since there's a person, I'm going down this way.
That's a nuclear one.
Oh, there's a car right there. I mean a vehicle. Oh god. I'm not going to that one either. I'm going to that one like
person.
I'm not going to that one. I'm gonna get on this bike.
Wait.
Charge! Charge! Boom!
I think we're always doing it.
Oh god!
Oh. Wait. I think we're overdoing it with the animation things.
Then. Oh god! That does not count. Here, do this one, do this one, do this one. Hey.
Yeah, we're doing sounds.
What's this? Oh, this one's even better. We know that. No. Why is it canceled? Okay, there. Good thing it was canceled. Look closer to that. This way. Okay, we're going a little overboard on this. These sounds. Let's get over. I'm gonna show you that gun I was talking about if I can get it. It's right here. No, you stupid! Let's see. Oh, I was just watching a video of a turtle dabbing. This guy's done. Ah.
Can I see it on there?
We're watching birds dance.
There you go.
Okay, let's go to.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go. I'm gonna take a risk here.
No, I don't think you should.
Go. I'll go to Pachinki. Pochinki, Pochinki, toy.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I don't see anyone coming here. Probably above me. Do it closer to the.
Where's that?
What the? Okay. Let's see if I do good on this. Oh god, I'm in first person. Get out of this. Let's see if I do good in a city. I'm gonna keep the door open.
3, 2, 1. Self-destruct sequence activated.
Oh, what?
3.
That sounded violent. Oh god.
Guys, I think I have something coming on me. Oh no. Oh, they're much better.
Okay, that's weird. Okay, men, we're going in.
And by the time this video is uploaded, you guys all probably should know, you guys who live in Florida, there's a hurricane called Irma. And
we won't be able to do as many videos as we normally do. So, sorry guys for the people who care.
we have no
Care
we
for.
don't have any people who care. You guys are so mean to us.
No, you're fine. We're kidding. No. We have so many people that care. Like, so many.
Well, Ginger Scott and DanTDM248 doesn't. Please go into wsup
Frick
gaming.
you!
And that's what happens if you don't go to wsup gaming. What's that?
Okay, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, you subscribe now.
No! And check out wsup gaming. You have to, and if you don't, you will feel the wrath of wsup gaming.
Bye, guys.